Hi again, it's AJ Allen with Dad Jobs. I'm a dad doing jobs around the house. We're going to be building a Sauder brand armoire cabinet that we got off of Amazon. It does look pretty legit. I'll show you how the build goes. All right, let's go. Kind of a review of the building of this cabinet. I think that it is like almost exactly what we wanted. I think we got it for like $240 or $250 on sale. You can get a generally $270 on Amazon. So there is this extra like trim piece down here. There's an extra up, like they call it. There's a lot of good things about it. The hinges are nice and solid. So quality wise, I mean, yeah, I don't know, 6, 7 out of 10 in terms of what we were looking for and what we were looking to spend. Probably like a 9 out of 10. So it's gonna do the job. The hinges are really strong, the magnets solid. So it was packaged well, and I think it came out good. Thanks for watching the video, and obviously you'll be able to save yourself a little bit of time and effort. So, nice close. And the magnet works. So mainly just need that second magnet. Doors line up pretty good. So, and it's pretty solid.